From the provider, Giant Eye is a hub with two PTZ, 360-degree, 128 gig supported card included. It's a security camera placed indoor and outdoor in individual areas with an option of adding another camera and a wired camera. It has 4 screens, and we're going to show you what this camera is about. As we open up the product to show you how nicely they are packaged, we have a quick service guide, we have a quick start guide, a user's manual, protected by foam, a solar camera 5x8 solar array panel with the tripod mount adapter and hardware, with the USB-C compliance cable, a charging USB-A to C cable, hardware for the camera, removal of the camera with the adapter to hang up, antenna, camera screen, and we'll go over the details of the camera. The lightweight hub, USB-A brick, the charging cable, USB-A to C, as well as a LAN cable, and the second camera. With everything laid out on the table, we have the WESCU app, WESECUU. We're going to hook up the system, test sample here, and put the camera up in the yard, backyard, and so forth. With our demonstration purposes, we have here is the solar array mount, and we need to put all 3 screws in, and we have a gear to lock in the mount by placing back on and locking down. Find the angle you desire for your location to catch the sun and adjust and tighten. Place on the solar array with the 1/4 20 area and run your lead to the camera. The solar array could be landscape or portrait mode, your option. The supplied hardware lock on, flat heads, as we place our camera on and lock down. 2.4, 5.8 gigahertz wireless camera. With the bottom silicone door, optional SD card, a TF card slot, reset area. The speaker, on the bottom is the area for the USB-C, charging area, and on and off switch. Place on and lock down. On the hub, we have a speaker, a button, DC 5V, the internet LAN area, reset button, and SD card slot with the included SDXC card of 128 gig. Hooking up the hub is plugging in the USB-C cable with the green light in the back lit up and all the lights in the front lit. The unit has voice talking. It will talk to you on setup. As we turn the first camera on, the camera lights up, acknowledges, and starts its process. And follow the information to set up. Allow the unit to look for Wi-Fi and the cameras. Set all cameras up at the same time. Follow the information provided. As we are on the Bluetooth, connect. Allow microphone. Allow using app. Send notifications at your option. With additional cameras hooked up already outside, we have 2 additional cameras, to a total of 4. We're going to add the device. Scan for nearby devices. Add network cable, Wi-Fi connection. Next. Fill in the information provided. Once everything is agreed, the unit starts to configure. The unit tells you via the hub,
connection is successful.
We're good. Connected. Choose the names. Choose the users provided with more accuracy. Invite. Up to 4 cameras can be viewed. We have the two cameras automatically hooked up to the unit, and we can add two more cameras. We can scroll up by pushing up and pushing down. It automatically does the first one and not the second. Unless you want the second, you highlight with the white, and then you're able to scroll down, left, and right, up and down. In the settings of the camera, we have motion detection alert, push notifications, record settings, 4 megapixel screen sound recording, PC control, storage, advanced settings. We have a signal strength which is strong, about the camera, and delete off the camera. In the motion detection alert, we have here is the detection level, the periods, the detection area to set up that you simply open up, draw in the area by selecting, and you have that area. If you don't want it, simply turn it off, back out. We have a siren, a white light alarm. As we turn the light on, the light will come on the next time available. As we back out to the main screen and we're finished with the channel number 2 setting up, we see channel 1 is loading. We could talk. Test 1, test 2. Number 2. We want number 1 to talk. Test 1, 1. We want to see a full screen. We can monitor outside sound with the hub. And we could turn off the sound. These are just some of the samples that we can do with the cameras. And what we're going to do is look at the events, show what the camera looks like during the day and night time. As we find a location to hook up, slip on the camera, adjust the antennas. Security camera can be adjusted to the angle PTC 360 degrees, infrared for nighttime security, and more. We have here's footage that we have a 4 square that tells us camera 1 and 4. We highlight and we scroll and point in the direction we need to have our camera looked at. So we're all set up and we'll come back in the later day. And what we can do is we can do some recording by hitting the record button. In the center, both cameras should be recording. We could full screen, and that's what we see, both cameras. Once completed, go into the playback library and look at the footage. We have SD and HD quality for video recording. And we could choose each of the camera for those recordings. As the camera is showing nighttime, we'll go out and wave to the camera and the hub. As we're in the camera's view without the light on, this is what it looks like, and show you what the camera shows an infrared and the indicator of record. As we hit the siren, looking at the events for the evening, simply press on the events and the events will play. As you can see, the detection with light and the previous event of up to 10 seconds. So if you're looking for a security camera, up to 4 security cameras to be added to the hub, wired and wireless, solar power, collecting sun all day, running all night for your house, backyard, boatyard, RVs, anywhere that you need to put on a wireless or LAN system, wired. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you're looking for, in your security needs. Thank you for viewing.